Welcome to today's video about health benefits of chewing cloves. Could a spice so small hold the power to combat some of today's most challenging health issues? In kitchens worldwide, cloves are a staple for their intense flavor. But beyond their culinary use, these tiny buds pack a surprising array of health benefits. What if I told you that this ancient remedy has been scientifically shown to not only freshen your breath, but also soothe toothaches, manage blood sugar levels, and even reduce stress? Yes, all that in one little clove. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cloves. We'll explore cutting-edge research that reveals how these small but mighty spices can contribute to better health and wellness. Stay with us as we uncover the secrets of cloves from ancient times to modern science. Could chewing a single clove a day keep the doctor away? Let's find out. Just a quick reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. Please note, every piece of information here has been authenticated by a cadre of professional researchers. All right, let's dive into the health benefits of chewing cloves, beginning with the first one, dental pain relief. Chewing cloves has long been recognized as a natural remedy for dental pain. This practice relies on the potent analgesic properties of eugenol, a primary compound found in cloves, which acts as a natural anesthetic. When cloves are chewed, eugenol is released and seeps into the affected dental tissues, providing temporary relief from pain and discomfort. This numbing effect can be particularly beneficial for toothaches and inflamed gums. In addition to its pain-relieving capabilities, eugenol also possesses antibacterial properties, which help in reducing oral pathogens that can exacerbate dental pain and infections. A study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences in 2021 highlighted that eugenol could significantly reduce the growth of certain bacteria that are commonly found in dental infections. This dual action of cloves not only helps in alleviating pain, but also aids in addressing some of the root causes of dental issues, making it a practical complementary treatment for maintaining oral health. Next, number 2, gastrointestinal disorders. The practice of consuming cloves by chewing has been traditionally linked to alleviating gastrointestinal disorders. Rich in essential oils, primarily eugenol, cloves offer antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce digestive tract inflammation and irritation. This action can aid in soothing conditions like gas, bloating, and nausea. Furthermore, the antimicrobial effects of cloves can help manage microbial imbalances in the gut, potentially alleviating symptoms of dyspepsia and gastrointestinal infections. Additionally, cloves stimulate digestive enzymes, improving digestion and reducing digestive stress. By enhancing enzymatic activity, cloves ensure a more efficient breakdown of food, which supports overall digestive health and reduces symptoms like indigestion and discomfort. The combination of these mechanisms makes cloves a beneficial, natural approach to managing various gastrointestinal symptoms. Next, number 3, liver protection. The protective effects of consuming cloves on liver health can be attributed to their high content of antioxidants, primarily eugenol, which helps mitigate oxidative stress, a key factor in liver disease. When cloves are chewed, their compounds are released and absorbed, directly interacting with metabolic processes that influence liver function. Antioxidants in cloves enhance the body's defense against free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can damage cells, including those in the liver. Research highlighted in a 2014 study published in the Journal of Cancer Prevention demonstrated that the antioxidants in clove extracts could significantly decrease oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver. This study suggests that these compounds not only prevent, but also may reverse some forms of liver damage. Further studies are required to fully understand the extent of liver protection cloves can offer and the optimal intake. This potential liver protective effect makes cloves a subject of interest for further investigation in dietary strategies aimed at supporting liver health. However, it is essential for individuals to consult health professionals before using cloves or any natural remedy for medicinal purposes, especially those with existing liver conditions or those taking other medications. Next, number 4, diabetes management. Incorporating cloves into the diet has been explored for its potential benefits in managing diabetes, particularly by enhancing insulin activity and regulating blood sugar levels. A study published in the Life Sciences in 2019 highlighted that the compounds in cloves, specifically eugenol, could significantly impact glucose metabolism. This occurs because eugenol helps increase the uptake of glucose into cells, thereby lowering blood sugar levels. Furthermore, cloves stimulate the secretion of insulin from the pancreas. Another significant aspect is the antioxidant properties of cloves, which combat oxidative stress, a common challenge in individuals with diabetes. Oxidative stress is linked to decreased insulin sensitivity, which can worsen diabetes control. Additionally, a 2021 study in pharmacological research demonstrated that regular consumption of clove extract could improve markers of glycemic control in people with type 2 diabetes. These studies suggest that a moderate intake of cloves, such as chewing them regularly, could serve as a complementary approach to traditional diabetes treatments by naturally aiding in blood sugar regulation and enhancing overall metabolic health. However, it's crucial for individuals to consult with healthcare providers to integrate such natural remedies appropriately into their diabetes management plan. Next, number 5, anti-cancer properties. Evidence suggests that the anti-cancer properties of cloves can be attributed to a range of bioactive compounds beyond just eugenol. These include flavonoids, tannins, and other phenolic compounds which are released upon chewing. These compounds may interact synergistically to combat cancer development through various mechanisms. One significant pathway is through the induction of apoptosis, the process of programmed cell death, which is crucial for eliminating cancerous cells. For instance, a study published in the Biomolecules, 2020, indicated that the phenolic extracts from cloves can induce apoptosis in breast cancer cells. Additionally, these compounds have been shown to inhibit the proliferation of tumor cells by disrupting the cell cycle, thus slowing the progression of cancer. Moreover, cloves contain antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress, a key contributor to cancer development. By scavenging harmful free radicals, these antioxidants protect cellular DNA from damage, reducing the risk of mutation and subsequent cancer formation. Overall, the direct consumption of cloves by chewing can release these compounds into the body, where they may exert their protective effects against the development of cancer. Next, number 6, immune system support. Rich in a variety of bioactive compounds such as eugenol, flavonoids, and tannins, cloves offer significant immune support when chewed. These compounds exhibit strong antioxidant properties, crucial for reducing oxidative stress, which otherwise weakens immune defenses. A 2018 study in the Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity highlights that the antioxidants found in cloves help modulate immune responses by reducing inflammation and enhancing the body's ability to fight infections. In addition to eugenol, cloves contain flavonoids like camphorol and quercetin, which are known to boost immune function. These flavonoids support the immune system by interacting with various cellular pathways involved in immune response. The tannins in cloves also contribute by their antimicrobial properties, helping to inhibit the growth of pathogenic microorganisms that can trigger immune responses. Furthermore, the act of chewing releases these beneficial compounds more efficiently, facilitating their rapid absorption into the bloodstream. This direct contact with oral tissues may enhance local immunity in the mouth, a primary entry point for many pathogens, providing an added layer of defense. This holistic interaction between the compounds in cloves and the body's immune mechanisms underlines the potential of cloves as a supportive dietary addition for enhancing immune health. Next, number 7, respiratory health. Incorporating cloves into one's diet, particularly through chewing, may confer benefits for respiratory health due to the synergistic effects of various bioactive compounds present in this spice. Eugenol, while a primary component, works in tandem with other substances such as flavonoids, tannins, and terpenoids, which contribute to the overall anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of cloves. These compounds can help alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions by reducing inflammation in the respiratory tract and inhibiting the growth of pathogens that can cause infections. A study published in 2021 in the Molecules highlighted the effectiveness of clove extract in reducing respiratory distress in an animal model. The study suggested that the combined anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of cloves could be beneficial in managing symptoms associated with respiratory ailments. Another component, B-caryophyllene, which is a natural sesquiterpene found in cloves, has been studied for its potential to modulate the body's response to inflammation and pain, further supporting respiratory comfort. Next, number 8, heart health. Consuming cloves by chewing can contribute to heart health through several mechanisms, thanks to their rich array of bioactive compounds. Beyond eugenol, cloves contain flavonoids, anthocyanins, and phenolic acids, which together exhibit strong antioxidant properties. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress, a key factor in the development of cardiovascular diseases, including atherosclerosis. A study published in the Biomolecules in 2020 demonstrated that the antioxidants in cloves might inhibit the oxidation of LDL, a bad cholesterol, which is a critical step in the formation of plaque in arteries. Moreover, the anti-inflammatory properties of these compounds play a significant role in protecting the heart. Inflammation is a major contributor to heart disease, and the anti-inflammatory effects of cloves can help reduce this risk. The presence of other phytochemicals in cloves also aids in enhancing arterial health by improving endothelial function, which is essential for proper blood flow and blood pressure regulation. This multifaceted approach to heart health highlights the potential of cloves as a part of a diet aimed at cardiovascular health maintenance. Next, number 9, anti-ulcer effects. The gastroprotective effects of cloves in combating ulcers are attributed to their rich array of compounds beyond just eugenol. These include flavonoids, tannins, and triterpenoids, which collectively contribute to their anti-ulcer properties. A study published in the Naunen-Schmiedeberg's Archives of Pharmacology in 2011 highlights that these compounds can significantly increase the production of gastric mucus. The protective layer of mucus is crucial for shielding the stomach lining from the erosive effects of stomach acid and other irritants that can lead to ulcer formation. Moreover, these bioactive components exhibit anti-inflammatory and antioxidant actions, which further support their role in ulcer prevention. Inflammation and oxidative stress are key factors in the development and exacerbation of gastric ulcers. By reducing these, cloves help mitigate the damage to the stomach's mucosal lining. Tannins, for example, have been shown to possess astringent properties that tighten epithelial cells, reducing permeability and enhancing the stomach's defenses against acid. The antioxidant properties also help neutralize free radicals that can otherwise worsen mucosal damage during stress or from harmful substances. These mechanisms indicate that regular, moderate consumption of cloves may be beneficial for those at risk of gastric ulcers, promoting overall digestive health. Next, number 10, anti-parasitic properties. The anti-parasitic effects of cloves are attributed to a synergy of bioactive compounds they contain, which go beyond just eugenol. Research indicates that other constituents, such as flavonoids, tannins, and terpenoids, also play a significant role. These compounds exhibit potent antimicrobial and anti-parasitic activities, making cloves a valuable natural remedy in fighting parasitic infections. For instance, a study published in the Infection and Drug Resistance, 2019, demonstrated that extracts from cloves were effective against certain parasites, highlighting their therapeutic potential in parasitology. These bioactive molecules disrupt the life cycle of parasites by interfering with their energy production, damaging their cellular structures, and inhibiting their ability to reproduce. This multifaceted approach is what makes cloves particularly effective as an anti-parasitic agent. Moreover, the anti-inflammatory properties of these compounds help soothe the tissue damage typically caused by parasitic infections, providing a holistic benefit. When cloves are chewed, these compounds are released directly into the oral cavity and enter the digestive tract, where many parasites inhabit. The direct contact with these bioactives helps in targeting the parasites more effectively, enhancing the anti-parasitic action. Thus, incorporating cloves into the diet can be a beneficial preventive measure against parasitic infections. Next, number 11, stress reduction. The active compounds in cloves, including eugenol, flavonoids, and beta-caryophyllene, play a significant role in its calming effects. These compounds are not only potent antioxidants, but also interact with neurotransmitter systems that regulate mood and stress levels. A study published in the Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Disease in 2014 highlighted that the flavonoids in cloves might exert anxiolytic, anxiety-reducing effects by modulating the serotonin and dopamine pathways. This indicates a biochemical basis for the calming sensation often reported with clove consumption. Furthermore, beta-caryophyllene, a natural sesquiterpene found in cloves, has been recognized for its potential to bind to CB2 receptors, which are part of the endocannabinoid system known to regulate stress and anxiety. These findings suggest that beyond their traditional use in culinary and medicinal contexts, cloves can be considered for their neuropsychiatric benefits. Therefore, incorporating cloves into regular dietary practices could be a valuable addition to stress management strategies, offering a natural, accessible form of relief that enhances overall well-being through multiple bioactive pathways. Next, we will see the optimal quantity of cloves for health benefits. Determining the optimal amount of cloves to chew for health benefits involves understanding their potent nature and active compounds. While there isn't a universally recommended quantity, a small number can be effective given the concentration of bioactive ingredients in cloves. For health benefits, chewing 1 to 2 whole cloves per day may be sufficient. This quantity allows you to gain the benefits from the essential oils and other compounds without overwhelming the palate or digestive system. In traditional practices, cloves have been used sparingly due to their strong flavor and potent effects. Thus, sticking to a modest amount not only aligns with these traditional uses, but also fits within the scope of contemporary research findings, which suggests that even small doses can provide significant health benefits. Regular consumption in these amounts is a practical way to incorporate the therapeutic properties of cloves into your daily routine, leveraging their potential for enhancing overall health and well-being. Now let's see choosing the best cloves. Tips and types. Selecting the best cloves involves a few key considerations that ensure you get a quality product with maximum flavor and health benefits. Cloves are available in whole or ground form, but whole cloves are generally preferable for their longevity and potency. 1. Look for whole cloves. Whole cloves are usually superior to ground cloves as they retain their essential oils and active compounds longer. When choosing whole cloves, seek out ones that are plump, oily, and not dried out. They should be uniform in color and free from any mold or decay. 2. Color and aroma. High-quality cloves are deep brown and have a strong, pungent aroma that is immediately noticeable. A vivid, pronounced scent is a good indicator of freshness and potency. 3. Size and texture. Choose cloves that are of similar size and have a hard texture. Smaller or shriveled cloves may have lost some of their essential oils and flavor. 4. Organic and ethically sourced. Opting for organic cloves can ensure they are free from pesticides and chemicals. Additionally, ethically sourced cloves support sustainable practices and fair compensation for growers. Next, types of cloves. Zanzibar cloves. Known for their high oil content and robust flavor, Zanzibar cloves from Tanzania are considered some of the best in the world. Madagascar cloves. These are also highly prized for their quality and are similar in profile to Zanzibar cloves. Indonesian cloves. Indonesia is one of the largest producers of cloves, and their cloves are known for a slightly milder flavor but high quality. When stored properly in a cool, dry place, whole cloves can keep their potency for about a year. By selecting the best type and ensuring they are fresh, you can enhance both the flavor of your dishes and the potential health benefits derived from this aromatic spice. Next, we will see who should avoid chewing cloves. While cloves offer numerous health benefits, they are not suitable for everyone. Certain individuals should avoid chewing cloves or using them in large amounts due to potential health risks or interactions with medications. 1. Pregnant and breastfeeding women. Although moderate use of cloves in cooking is generally considered safe, pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid high doses of cloves, including chewing them regularly, as there isn't enough research to confirm their safety in larger amounts during these periods. 2. Children. Due to their strong chemical composition, cloves should be used with caution in children. Chewing whole cloves or consuming clove oil can be particularly intense for children and may lead to adverse reactions. 3. People with bleeding disorders. Cloves have anticoagulant properties, meaning they can prevent blood clotting. Individuals with bleeding disorders or those on blood-thinning medications like warfarin should avoid chewing cloves as it could increase the risk of bleeding. 4. Individuals with allergies to cloves or similar substances. People who are allergic to cloves or other members of the Myrtaceae family should not chew cloves or use them in any form to avoid allergic reactions. 5. Those scheduled for surgery. Due to their effect on blood clotting, individuals scheduled for surgery should stop chewing cloves at least 2 weeks before the procedure to reduce the risk of excessive bleeding. If you are considering using cloves therapeutically, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure they are safe for you, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medication. That's it for today's video on the health benefits of cloves and their potential to help manage various health conditions. From easing dental pain to their anti-parasitic properties, cloves are a powerhouse of medicinal benefits that could complement your health regimen. Remember, while cloves offer impressive health benefits, they're not a substitute for medical treatment from professionals. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more content like this, please comment yes below. Your feedback motivates us to keep producing informative and useful videos that can help you lead a healthier life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.